What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Solana, guys. It's been a minute since I covered Sol. If you'd like me to cover Sol more often, let me know. Smash that like button. Currently, we're sitting at 137. We're down almost 2% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 40.59 billion. 24-hour volume is 2.31 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. My favorite app for investing. Incredible benefits as well as $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So with many of the charts, we have this symmetrical triangle, and it's the same for Sol. We've been finding a lot of resistance along the EMAs here on the 4-hour chart. So if that continues and we do fall out of this pattern, I'll give you your target here. Would bring Sol down. Basically would bring Sol right down to this level of support at 106, which was a previous swing low. Now, if we did come down to this target, I think Bitcoin would have to come down to 37 to 38K. And if Solana came down to this target, I do think we'd wick down and bounce back rather quickly. If we look at Sol here on the daily, we're currently holding the 55 EMA as support. We came down to that 118 that I had predicted here. So if we were to quickly come down to 106, we came down, here's 106, we wick down, we bounce back up, and we see that continuation. If we look at Sol here on the weekly, you can see, guys, look how overextended we were on the weekly. And we've gone through a small correction and now we're consolidating. Even if we come down to 106, we're still looking extremely healthy for Sol. As you can see here, we got overextended, we came back to the EMAs. We got overextended, we came back to the 20 EMA. So we're overextended and we're right now coming back to the 20 EMA, consolidating and allowing the EMAs to catch up on the weekly. So we're looking healthy, guys. We're looking for continuation, in my opinion. Unless we were to go into a bear market, Sol is looking extremely healthy for continuation, back up to its all-time high at 223, and then you have the 2.618 up at 371 here for Solana. So basically, you're just keeping an eye on this pattern right now. If we do break down, do target 106, I do think we would bounce back rather quickly, and if we were to break out of this target, would bring you back up to 169 for Solana. All right, guys, that's it for this one. I hope it brought you some value. You can trade Solana on Bybit, up to $600 in bonuses. If you'd like to learn about leverage trading, check out my full link tutorial. Quick shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns. Great way to stay ahead of the game as a trader. You can sign up through the Patreon, price of a coffee. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.